Is your Tracfone balance summary not working? This video provides quick fixes for app, widget, text, and web issues. The core problem is often a synchronization failure between your device and Tracfone's servers. For app problems, first, clear the app's cache and data. Go to Settings, Apps, Tracfone, Storage, Clear Cache. Next, update to the latest version via the Google Play Store or App Store. Ensure you have a stable internet connection, either Wi-Fi or cellular. Widget issues are more common on older Android devices. Try removing and re-adding the widget from your home screen and granting necessary permissions. Remember, prepaid accounts require manual checks. They don't auto-refresh. If the app fixes don't work, try checking your balance via text or the Tracfone website. To check via text, send BEL to 611. If that fails, toggle airplane mode on and off to reset your network connection. For web-based checks, go to tracfone.com and log in to your account. If you encounter issues, try a hard refresh with Control F5. Or use incognito mode to bypass browser cache problems. If errors persist, reset your password. Keep in mind that issues can stem from API timeouts or VPN interference. As of October 2025, Tracfone's app includes automatic error reporting and one-tap balance refresh. If all else fails, contact Tracfone support for assistance.